Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. On a daily time frame chart, Bitcoin has completely broken down this Ichimoku bullish cloud first. The cloud was flipped into a bearish cloud and now the price line has also broken it down because the bearish cloud works as a very weak support. And now the conversion line, that is the bullish line, this blue line is crossing down the baseline. That is a bearish line. That is an extreme bearish signal if the price line is moving below the cloud and it has completely broken it down. And when we receive this cross above the cloud, the bear cross, then it is very extreme bearish signal. And you can see that this lagging span is also moved down once again. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you right now on the 7 days time frame chart, Bitcoin is also trying to break down sort of the super trend indicator as well. If we take a look at the previous history, then you can see whenever Bitcoin breaks out this super trend indicator and moves above this super trend indicator, then you can see that it starts very big bull runs like it was happening here in the month of Feb 2023. And whenever it breaks it down, then a long-term bearish trend starts. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of July 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup of Frax, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, like this trade signal I shared on 14th of July 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a very massive pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Bitcoin. And first of all, let me to show you the Ichimoku cloud on the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that we have recently once again broken down the support of this Ichimoku cloud. Previously, when we broke it down, at that time, I was telling you that whenever during the bull run, the price line breaks down this cloud, that can be the right time to buy Bitcoin. Because previously, when it was breaking down, it broke down this cloud. At the same time, you can see that RSI was also entered the oversold zone. And now this time we can see that when it has broken down this cloud once again and RSI, you can see that once again entering oversold zone. And before that, we can see that it was happened here back in the month of August 2023 when the Bitcoin bull run was about to begin. And you can see that it just broke down this Ichimoku bullish cloud and RSI entered the oversold zone, and then we had some sideways move, and then we had a very massive rally. And recently, you can see that it was happening here when it broke it down, and after that, the RSI was entered the oversold zone here. We had a short pump, but after that, once again, it was dropped down, and then we had this rally, and recently we have broken it down once again. But this time, you can see that we have the resistance of bearish cloud. Previously, we had the resistance of the bullish cloud that works as a very weak resistance, but bearish cloud works as a very strong resistance, and as a support, it works as a very weak support. Therefore, we have broken it down, and now you can see that for a while the cloud was flipped into a bullish cloud here, but now it is again likely to flip. In fact, it has flipped into a bearish cloud. You can see that it is flipped into a red color from the green color. Therefore, this time it can work as a strong resistance. However, we can see that RSI is once again entering the oversold zone. Therefore, it can lead the price line to start some correction move to the upside from here. And for example, if the price line starts any correction move to the upside from here, then it can hit the resistance somewhere approximately at $61,000. And over there, we will have again a very strong bearish cloud resistance. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that we have once again bit critical situation because it is trying to break down the support of super trend. And as far as we are moving above this support of super trend, we are in bull run. But once it will be broken down, then a long term bearish trend can be started like it was happening here And before that, it was happening here as well. You can see that when this previous bull run of 2017 was ended here, after that, it broke it down, and then we had a long-term bearish trend. And before that, it was happened here as well when this bull run was ended here in the month of December 2013. And after that, it broke it down, and then we had a long-term bearish trend. But here, if we take a look at March 2020, then you can see that the previous bull run was begun here in the month of March 2019. We had a very, very nice rally, but for a while we broke down the super trend here. That was a COVID crash or recession crash. Due to recession, the price and again broke it down, but after a few weeks, the price and was recovered back. Same thing can happen right now. Due to recession, we may break it down for a while, but after a few weeks, the pricing can be recovered back, and this bull run can be continued for the long term because on the monthly time frame chart, Bitcoin is forming a very, very massive Elliott wave structure, and at the same time, it is also completing a cup and handle pattern as well. For that, I have posted a separate video. You can watch that video. A few moments ago, I have just posted that video as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.